Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and to the very last episode of Pop for the season. Today is the very last day of the apprenticeship program and we are going to be on location at the villa at Canterfield. For today's challenge, the girls have total creative control of their project. I will have absolutely nothing to do with it except to assist them if they need me. They're going to have a few hours to put a display together for the lovely residents at the villa. And today's episode is sponsored by UBackdrop. UBackdrop is one of the largest providers of event backdrops such as wedding, birthday, baby shower, bridal shower, and birthday backdrops to name a few. They use computer-printed, wrinkle-resistant microfiber fabric that can be reused, washed by machine, and can be lightly ironed. And they all come with built-in pockets for convenient hanging. UBackdrop believe that memorable events deserve a unique backdrop. I will have all information for you in the description box below. Alright guys, today is the last week of the apprenticeship and I'm here with my girls. Feeling a little anxious and feeling a little sad. This is a sisterhood. I should be saying this at the end, but I want to say it now and I'll say it at the end too. I just wanted to say that you guys mean the whole world to me. It's been great and I want to wish you guys the best of luck today. One good thing about today, there is no 2-hour limit. You have until 2 o'clock.
Yeah.
Are you guys ready?
Yes.
All right, let's do it. All right. So the girls are going to have to wrap up their projects and clean up their station by 2 p.m. because the event starts at 2:30 sharp.
So this is an 8-foot round backdrop. It's a grid backdrop. My plan is to put the balloon garland around the side of it and have it cascade out. So I'm really excited about that to see how it's gonna look. I think it's gonna be really pretty, very romantic looking, which is the idea and the vision I have going on in my head. So I'm excited.
Inspiration behind my backdrop is going for a holiday luxe theme. I wanted everything to be silver and gold with a pop of cranberry. And for my garland, I want to keep everything mostly white with a few pops of color with cranberry and gold. I'm not trying to make it look too tacky, so I'm just going to use a little bit of this, as well as my candles. I'm going to put these on the ground and have like a little seating area for a cute little photo op.
Right now, I am having a lot of anxiety. So really, I'm not as uppity. I'm just trying to execute this. So when I'm in the zone, I'm just really mellow. So I'm just hoping that it comes out right and comes out great. You know, really, this is going to be my first organic type of garland by myself. Hopefully, this comes out looking good. Well, my inspiration for today was, of course, my sign. said bubbly. To accessorize, I'll be using some flowers. I'll be using wine bottles. I'll have some wine glasses, the bubbly sign. You'll see some stools, just to make it really classy and just make that sign pop.
My inspiration is about a bridal shower because I recently have to do something for my daughter. Another thing is I made this centerpiece because I really love flowers and I need to put flowers in my project.
So my design is going to be different because it's a baby shower. It's going to be a sweets table area. So I have 3 pedestals, which is going to consist of sweets and a diaper cake.
All right, guys, it's 1 o'clock, so we have 1 hour, okay?
Falling off and I picked it up and it exploded everywhere.
And we're almost ready, right? For showtime?
Right. So I'm about to do this real quick.
Okay. Okay guys, so the residents are here and ready to view your displays, okay?
Yes!
Alright, so each one of you are going to tell them what was your inspiration and just interact with them, alright?
Alright.
Alright, let's open the doors.
Alright.
So which one was your favorite? Which one was your favorite? Which one? To what? Oh, your favorite? Okay. Okay.
They're all my favorite.
Okay. I'm glad. Did you enjoy this?
Watching it.
Yeah?
I just lived on it.
Oh,
Every time I go by, I peek.
you peek?
If you want, take a picture if you
Take a
want.
picture. Do you have your phone? You have a phone? Or a camera?
I got two of them. I don't know how
Do you want me to take a picture of you with one of them?
No, because I don't even know if they work.
I can take a picture if you want.
Okay.
And then I'll have it at the front desk so you guys can see. Let's go ahead. Yeah, go ahead. Let's do that. Yeah, you can bring up.
So I have a picture with the gift bag.
Yeah. Whew. Now it's time to decide who's going to be part of the team. I don't know. I'm so nervous. I'm so nervous, guys. I'm stressing out. Oh my God. I'm stressing because I love all of you guys. I really do. You guys are amazing, and you guys showed up every week, week after week, here for me, you know, to be part of the team. All right, guys, after some deliberation and some input from other people here, the staff, just to make sure that what I was thinking was right. You're all wonderful. Thank you. Just know that because I didn't choose you, the ones that I didn't choose doesn't mean that you're not awesome, okay?
Yes.
Okay?
Yes.
It means that I'm just can't pay you. I can afford all of you guys. It just means that I can afford all of you guys. But one day I will. Okay? All right. It's exciting. Okay.
Back again.
All right. Here's the last pop balloon. How are you guys feeling?
I'm excited, just thankful.
Yes.
Genuinely grateful. Yes.
Thank you so much.
I wouldn't have been able to do this today
Without experience.
Thank
you.
Amazing
Thank you.
opportunity.
And all of you, really.
Yes.
Y'all have all taught me
Of
a
course.
lot.
Yes.
Yes.
It's all about teamwork.
Exactly.
You know, I can only go so far by myself.
Right. Yes.
I need a team.
Yeah.
In order to be great, you need your sisters. Right?
Yes. Hey. That was a good boomerang.
We love the boomerangs. We love the boomerangs. All right, ladies. Ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, and the winner is.
That was good.
Go ahead, whoever wants. Give it to me.
Excited. I feel really excited, like overwhelmed right now. I'm so excited. Like my heart is like really racing. Thank you guys so much. Thank you, Tayra.
Welcome to the team. Lots of talent.
Yeah.
Appreciate it. Oh, thank you. I'm so happy.
One more thing, guys. Another position became available because another person that was in my team is no longer. So I do have a spot for one more person.
Oh.
And I have a lot of work. so I need more help. But no, but all this time I have been saying that I only was going to choose one person, but I just had to pick this other person. So without further ado, I'll be right back.
Oh, wow. This is another pop Plot twist. Wow.
That was a big plot twist.
All right, this second person is going to complete the team that I need right now. All right, you guys ready?
Yes.
Okay.
Every time.
And he's stuck here. Look at that. See, I have to go to work. And the other person is.
Look, y'all about to make me cry. Oh, Jesse. Oh. Oh.
You're wonderful, Jesse. You have great talent as well.
100%.
Absolutely.
You have
Look at
wonderful
this.
talent.
Look at this. You're amazing.
I told you.
Yes. Jesse, oh, you're amazing. You're gonna make me cry.
I love you too, honey. Both of you guys are amazing. All of you guys are amazing. And just so you guys know, all of you guys are on call. If you guys just take me, whenever there's a big order, all of you guys can come and work for the Tayra Perez project.
Yes.
We always will be the bottlenecks.
Yes.
Till the end.
Yes.
All right, guys. This is it.
Oh.
This is it. I don't know what to say. I'm sad and I'm happy at the same time. New beginnings. Continued friendship.
Yes.
We are going to continue to get together and be there for each other, okay? All right, guys, this is it. Until next time, I hope you guys enjoyed this series, and if you did, please make sure to give me a thumbs up and let me know in the comments below if you would like to see a season 2 of Pop. Also, let me know which one was your favorite project, and don't forget to congratulate the winners, Anaya and Jesse. I love you guys. Bye.
You guys are amazing, amazing.